All right, so first of all, let's talk about the set. What you get the instructions, right? You get the nice beautiful little unicorns, if you guys can see, beautiful little unicorns, rainbows, and other little sources. There's a birdhouse, and then you get the adhesive. This actually mounts into the wood. You get the LED controller, but there's no batteries. You have to provide your own batteries, AA batteries. If you guys can see, it tells you in the back. You get rocks that belong in the bottom, a beautiful cherry blossom tree, and of course the cover, and plenty of things. You designed it yourself. The instructions give you a little insight how to put it together, but you put it together as you please. So we're gonna have a little young female put it together and see how long it takes. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so there's two LED lights. There's a smaller one version, and then there's a larger version with the remote. And this one has a AA batteries. The other one doesn't require batteries. It requires a deep battery, the circle ones. All right, look how beautiful the design is. Really nice and neat. Now, this thing is another light that they included where we changed different styles. This one has two deep batteries, and you can just turn it off and on, and you can mix them however you want. But everything you need, no glue, no tools, nothing's necessary. Everything comes in the kit. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.